Hey, I'm reading from this book. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. I don't know why I can't remember this guy's name. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This is a great book, a good self-help book. And I want to read a quick passage. And this is from chapter, I think it's 6. Yes, chapter 6. And this short reading is called Your Subconscious Will Accept Your Blueprint. If you were building a new home for yourself and your family, you would take an intense interest in the blueprint of your home. You would want to make sure that the builders followed your blueprint to the last detail. You would keep watch over the materials they used, knowing that the future life of your home depends on the quality of the materials used to construct it. You would select only the best cement, insulation, electrical wiring, roofing, and so on. Does it not make sense to take the same care with your mental home and your mental blueprint for happiness and abundance? All your experiences and everything that enters into your life depend upon the nature of the mental building blocks that you use in the construction of your mental home. If your blueprint is full of mental patterns of fear, worry, anxiety, or lack, and if you are despondent, doubtful, and cynical, then the quality of the mental materials you are installing in your mind will come forth as more toil, care, tension, anxiety, and limitation of all kinds. The most fundamental and the most far-reaching activity in life is that which you build into your mentality every waking hour. Your word is silent and invisible. Nevertheless, it is real. You are building your mental home all the time, and your thoughts and mental imagery represent your blueprint. Hour by hour, moment by moment, you can build radiant health, success, and happiness by the thoughts you think, the ideas you harbor, the beliefs you accept, and the scenes you rehearse in the hidden study of your mind. This stately mansion, upon the construction of which you are perpetually engaged, is your personality, your identity in this plan, your whole life story on this earth. Get a new blueprint. Build silently by realizing peace, harmony, joy, and goodwill in the present moment. By dwelling upon these things and claiming them, your subconscious will accept your blueprint and bring all these things to pass. Be their fruits, ye shall know them. Hey, this book has all kinds of good information for you that you can take all the rest of the days of your life. Hey, you can change yourself. Change your thoughts. Change your life. And this book will show you how to do it. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. You got to get this book. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.